How to automate low power mode with shortcuts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Do you want your iPhone to automatically turn on low power mode when the battery gets low? Then do not worry, open up the Shortcuts app, go to the automation tab at the bottom, and then tap on the plus icon in the top right, and then you will need to scroll down and then choose battery level. Now you can move the slider to the preferred battery level. So let's say equals 20%. Now you can choose run after confirmation or run immediately. And then you can also toggle on notify when run, hit next. Now click on create new shortcut, and then tap on search action, and then search for low power mode. Tap on set low power mode, and then you can hit tick, and that's it. The automation has been set. Now when the battery level is 20%, now your phone will automatically toggle on low power mode. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.